Hi, this is Tracy from GiftBasketAppeal, and today I'm going to be doing my version of the tic-tac-toe card. It's a Pinterest-inspired card, and I thought it would be perfect for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. So I'm going to be doing this using a 5x5 card base. I normally don't use this card base, but I thought the square shape would be perfect for creating my tic-tac-toe. And to do that tic-tac-toe design, I'm going to be using washi tape. Also, this little heart, if it looks familiar, it came from the cereal box, or the oatmeal box, I should say, and it has that heart healthy image on it, so you've probably seen it on the oatmeal boxes. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to trace a couple of these. I love the size of this. It's perfect for this project. So sometimes you got to find your shapes wherever you can find them. And I'm going to use this to trace out my hearts. I need 5 of those. Okay, so now you have your hearts from your packaging. Super simple. This is a great way to use up your stuff and recycle. It is a great idea for a kid's craft as well. So I'm going to now take this purple and red. I thought that would be cute for Valentine colors. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover it. So you can really have fun here, covering your hearts with whatever you want. If you want to use a glittery paper, you can. Get the kids to help pick out some things that they want to help decorate them with, and just really come up with a unique idea. So I'm going to do 3 red and 2 purple. And these are thick enough to add some dimension to your card as well. So it's super simple. And sometimes you can just do some random papers, small papers that you have. Just turn them into some hearts. Don't think about it too much and just go for it. Make a real fun card. I can see doing something like this for spring also. Make sure that's pressed down real good. So it doesn't matter what side you glue it on. It'll be fine. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut these out, and then we'll be ready to put together our tic-tac-toe grid. Okay, so my little mini hearts are all cut out, and see how pretty that paper looks on there. So yeah, you can grab whatever paper you have in your stash. Don't go out and buy anything new. And so I just took my gel pen, one of my favorite tools, and I just put some polka dots on this one and put some stitching around these red hearts. Nothing too fancy. And I might go back and add some more stuff, but we'll see. Now we're going to take this 5x5, and that's going to be placed right over this. But before I do that, I want to put my washi tape on there. So this cute black and white washi tape, I need to make that grid going this way and this way, like the tic-tac-toe grid. Okay, so I'm just measuring on here. You might not be able to see this on the screen. Let's see. Okay, so this is 5x5. I'm just going to leave some little markings for myself. This is the center point from here to here. Right here is the center. But I want to have my washi tape come down this way, and let's see, maybe a little bit over. Let's see here. Maybe about right here. I think here and here would be good. So I don't need this part right here. Get rid of that. That. Okay, so we got those two. Let me turn it this way. I want it to come down here and here. So I'm just marking it just so that I know where it's supposed to go. So since I erased this and kind of messed up that side, I'll just go back on this side just to show you again what I did. This is my center point, but I want my grid to come here and here. Have my washi tape come right down there, and then flip this around right here and right here. Okay, so now we're good to go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just measure my tape across here, because all I need it to do is just come straight across. This is a great way to use up your washi tape. So I'm just eyeballing it here, because I do not like to measure, but I'll do it if I have to. Okay, so I'm going to need 4 of these strips. And some washi tape is just not as sticky as others, and that's okay. I'll just reinforce it with some of my art glitter glue. How did that one come out so long? Let's see. Did I do that right? I think so. Let me just make sure. Yep, I think it's okay. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and start to tape this down. Okay, so I'm going to let's see how much this sticks. I'm going to take off that backing, and I'm going to just where I marked my line, I'm going to make a nice straight line. Well, now I got clogged up there. I'm going to have a nice straight line of glue, as straight as I can get it, right across here. And then I'm going to place my washi tape right there. And this washi tape actually stretches a bit, so that's okay. I can go back and wipe that off. And I'll do the same thing with this. Using my little marking there as my guide. And I'm trying not to be too heavy-handed with this art glitter glue. Okay, so that's one part on. Let's cut off any excess there. Now let's go this way with it. Just trying to show you all the steps. I can see doing this with spraying and putting flowers on there and putting some type of spring message. I think that'll be a good idea too. Take that little bit off, and then we got one more to go. Take this off first. Okay. See, that's too much glue right there. Don't do that. Okay. See how that stretches? Pull that up just a little bit. Place it down. Okay, so now I'm just going to go and cut away any little excess that's sticking off the sides there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put this down on here. Okay, so I have to decide whether I want my card to go up this way or I want it to be this way. So you can have it open up that way. I think I'll keep it that way. Let it open up like this. And I'm going to glue this down. Okay, so look at that. Got your tic-tac-toe grid on there now. Now you can start to add your hearts in. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this right. I'm going to have 3 red ones going diagonally. But you can do your own thing. Okay, just like that. So look at that. If you wanted to leave it like that, you can. I'm going to just fill up some of the other spaces. And I'm going to leave these empty. I'm just going to go here and here. And you don't have to use purple and red. You can use whatever color you want. So look at that. And so you can leave it like that if you want, but we're going to add our sentiment on here. So let's see, I just want love you on here. And if I want, I can give it just a tiny bit of a red backing on it. Let's see. Yeah, maybe just a little bit. Let's see. Maybe a little bit of that purple. Yeah, we use the red. So don't be afraid to cut your sentiments apart. They don't have to, just because they come on one stamp, you can always cut them apart. Look at that. Right there. And I'm going to add more dimension to these. You can have them flat if you want, but I'm going to add a little bit of dimension to those. Put it right there. And notice that I'm not putting it straight. I'm just kind of making it fun. If you want, you can put it in a white space. That would be the safe thing to do. You could do so much with this. It'd be nice to see what kids do with this. Kids can really create some stuff because they don't really think too much about it. They just want to have fun. Okay, so now I've got this on here. I'm going to do something else and add a few stickers to this, but I got to go find my stickers. So these stickers I found at Dollar Tree, and I thought these would be really cute to add on here. I can add these to my heart. And look at that. Look how cute, little doggy. The kitten. So adorable. So let's see. I'll put something in here. 1, 2, 3. I'll put something in those 3. Let's see how this fits. The little letters are cute. But I also like this right here too. Oh, look at the little envelopes. Oh, yeah. Cute little envelopes. See what the backing looks like. I'm just going to add a tiny bit of glue to this. And the thing is, it's got a little shimmer to it. You can add gems to it. Let's see. Oh, here's the other one right here. Yeah, so don't be afraid to use those Dollar Tree stickers. You don't have to save them. Go ahead and just get them out and use them. Okay, so we got our stickers on there. Look how it looks so far. We got a little bit of added dimension. You could add some gems on here. Just up to you. You could add sequins. So much you could do with it. I'm going to add something right in the middle of that one. Looks like a little stamp here. Add that right in the middle. And see how your card is coming together here. Just like that. Let's see. Okay, look at that. And so you could add more to it, less. I'm kind of liking this little, I like that little kitty cat. My daughter has a cat. So I'm going to add her little, my oldest daughter has 2 cats, so I can actually add this to hers. I think she'd like that. And they're actually girl cats, so. Put 2 girl cats on here for her. Okay, so look at that. Make sure this card doesn't look so. Look how adorable that is. Let's see. Oh, I think I got that. Oh, that was the tape. Okay, so just go ahead and get some of that off. Look how cute that is. So you got that, and here's the other one that I did. You got the tic-tac-toe cards. And go on Pinterest and look and see if you want more inspiration. I hope this inspired you. I encourage you to just get what you have out in your stash and then just start doing stuff. Get those cereal boxes and start cutting stuff up. The packaging, you have everything you need right at your fingertips. So give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.